So we're going to get on the train right now. So here's pretty much your average train station. Usually there's a market underneath. Maybe we'll have a look a little later, but for now there's a supermarket here, E-Mart. It's a little bit expensive, but for whatever reason inside E-Mart is a cheaper supermarket called No Brand, where you can get things like this very cheap. So it's a bit strange. It's like having a Lidl or an Aldi inside of a Waitrose, a Sainsbury's, or a, I don't know, something like that, something more expensive. So to take these trains here, you can get a transport card right here. These are at every single station. It's quite similar to the London Underground. There's a few exceptions. So if you get one of these cards right here, the recharge cards, this little card here, oh sorry, you need to buy a new one. So issue transport card for an adult. So there's a deposit of this amount right here, 2,000, which is around $1.50, and then you can put amounts on the card. And this card, you can take the bus, you can take pretty much the whole network of trains right here and get pretty much anywhere you want in the whole city. So that's pretty cool. So what we're doing today, I'm going to top up my card because I have absolutely nothing. So let's put it there. So sit that there. I'm going to put 5,000 on because I'm going to be leaving soon, but I usually put on 10,000 at a time. But I don't want to put a whole lot on and, you know, have to forfeit that. So there we go, it's topping up now. If you have less than 1,500, it won't actually let you on the, you know, through the barriers. It will deny you entry. So always make sure you have more than 1,500. So there's my change, everything is done, and that's it. We have the money on here. So there's a few caveats with this underground system here. It looks quite simple at first glance. You think, okay, we take the blue, we can take the green, and we can get to this destination. But there's a few little caveats with that. There's an express train, which is only applicable on some lines in some areas, and a few other things as well. A lot of the times are in Korean only, not English, so it's a little bit of a learning experience. So right now we want to go to the city center. If you look at here, it only gives you some of the popular stations. Like here it says Seoul. Okay, we know that one's going to the city, we'll go that way. That's like a fork in the road. I don't even know where that is still, and I've been here a month, etc. So it's a little bit confusing. So we want to go to Seoul, so we'll be going down here. One of the things about the trains is there's a lot of stairs. If you have luggages, sometimes you will find yourself hiking it up the stairs, and it's a very tiring ordeal. Sometimes there's elevators, sometimes there just isn't. So yeah, get ready for that. So this is what your average train station will look like, something like this. So you can see this train says Express there, and that one is an ordinary train, but they both go to the same place. So this train goes to Yongsan, which is near the city center, just before the main station. But when it gets to Yongsan, it just stops. The lights go off, there's an announcement in Korean, and then everyone gets off. And you wonder why everyone's getting off the train. That's because the train just terminates in Yongsan, but it's express. So the express only stops at these red locations right here. I think that one, and that one, and that one. So it skips this. So it's a lot faster, but it doesn't get you all the way to Seoul Station. You have to still get off at Yonsan and get the normal one the rest of the way. So it's a bit confusing. And then it exacerbates because the express then continues over here somewhere after the city. So yeah, super confusing. And like I said, all the announcements in Korean like there, it will tell you where the next train is going, but we've missed the train so many times because we don't understand the departure things. So up here, look, up there, you can see, yeah, everything in Korean. So you'll find yourself going the wrong way many times. So it's a little confusing, but okay. So we're going to wait for the train, and then we're going to have a little look inside. And there's a little bit of a strange cultural shock on these trains. So right now you think the train would be here, but this is the non-express one. So even though this one's not here yet, this one will actually be a lot quicker than this one. I told you it's very confusing. Okay, so our trains here. One thing about the trains here, they're always full. It doesn't matter what time, what day, always full. You're always going to be standing. So the thing is, it's really quiet on the train. Nobody talks. Everybody is on their phone. A little bit different, isn't it?